Okay, continue. So what is going on that I click this button, nothing is there. So first of all, I've put my name here. So I'm going to say finalize create again. And then again, when I click it, I'm supposed to open it up a canvas and copy paste this one, but it's not there. So what's going on here? Did that one. The one that I said is module is not, I should say true. This is the important part. Then that's it. I suppose now you are good. So let's do this one. Copy paste here. Finalize and create. Okay, done. Look, now it's good. So this is an important step because people will not take a quick look at that one. This one you have to look at that because it has something there. You have to scroll it up and there. And before I didn't know that it's already there. So I spent lots of time saying, oh, what is input output signal? So this is sort of like input output signals already there. So what you needed to do is just to copy paste everything that is here, cut, right? And coming back. And then go inside and paste. So look at that. This is VIVBVC and frequency omega naught and omega naught theta. So a couple of them that I have to use it outside. I think this component I probably will push it out. But let's make it maybe 5 signals. It's fine. You can because I only defined 4, so maybe you can see that you can add another signal. So maybe I should add another signal. Say add. Oh no, it's already finalized. Maybe I should not do that. So therefore, what I should do, just stick with whatever it is. So this guy, I am going to copy it back. Yeah, that's this one. This one, going to copy it back. Control X, and going back. Yeah, just Control V. What is that? Control Z to here. Control X, Control C, Control V, Control V. Come on, Control V. No, jeez, don't let me go there. So I should do copy and paste. See what happens. Anyway, theta. I will just have this omega coming, right? So it's omega that is a signal which will be connected to the output, and you have this. Okay, so this one, I just want to I'll keep it out without doing anything. So inside that I have VIVBVC should be given that. So this is actually here. So this is copy C, right? And then you have it here. So this signal, you don't need to change that it will be A and B and okay, this is C. So this is done. That's input signal all done. So, but what about you have ABC here? So what about this guy? This guy you can you have to stick with that. It has to be A, not VIVBVC. So as long as whatever you define, you have to be ABC. And you don't need to connect that if you do this just like this. The rest you have to follow VD, VQ, W, and omega should be there. So therefore, I don't need this. Oh, theta, I need this. Okay, I don't need this one. I need theta. So theta has to be here. Omega is actually called a different name, called W. Right, so W should be here. V1, you capital VD, stick with the name. VQ, capital VQ. So this way, basically you figure out the input-output signals internally, all right? So done. Now, let's just connect the signal that I used here in the outside for plotting. So for example, the VQ is here. You have to connect it. I think omega is here, you use it. So maybe I should do that. I needed to connect this one. And I forgot if I use theta or not. Maybe I use it, maybe I didn't use it, right? So anyhow, let's just do a quick running, see what's the issue here. So it basically says, oh, you didn't, your KPKI is not there. That's the only error that I have. That's good. So that means the input of structure is good. The only thing is the KPKI didn't give the numbers. I think you can just do some parameters and figure it out, but I haven't figured out how to do that. So therefore, what I'm going to do is just to test whether this is working or not, give 60. And yeah, 1400. All right. Let's see whether everything is working. So that means whenever I give 60140, this sub block is already working. So good, look at that. No change or no error. Finished compiling. And if I go here, the graphics, they should give me something. Where's the graphics? Yeah, so that's my graphics to give me something. Run it again. If PSCAD says report no error, you can take a look. It's pretty fast. And I do it again, and again show that this is working. Started from 0, yeah, you can see this is actually really working. Okay, that's good. So this is the first one that I sort of like share the technique.